Catering to the 4x4 community since 2009, these best-selling Renegade Industrial 12 and 24 volt compact air compressors are a bestseller with great performance and reliability. Both of these units feature a built-in air regulator with quality twin air fittings, along with a 5-litre onboard tank. Simply hook up the unit to your car or truck battery using the heavy-duty alligator clips and away you go. Using the 12 volt model, get a solid free air delivery of 112 litres per minute from this handy single cylinder pump with a working pressure of 85 to 125 psi. The full cast iron pump and twin quick release sockets boast trade duty quality construction with a heavy duty pressure switch and built-in regulator, making the unit as reliable as some other big brands but at a fraction of the price. Renegade Industrial also offer a 24 volt version of the compact compressor as well, with the same high quality construction as the 12 volt version. You get a power bump with the 24 volt version as well, with a generous 156 litres per minute. It's the ideal compressor for owners of trucks, boats and 4x4s with 24 volt setup, producing a very solid 156 litres per minute of ongoing free air delivery, supplied complete with a built-in regulator and twin quick release sockets, as well as carrying the legendary Renegade Industrial logo. This compressor is renowned for its quality and reliability. It features the same 5-litre tank and full cast iron heavy duty construction and a maximum pressure of 125 psi, so you can pump up loose tyres in no time. You can forget about spending too much on a big brand compact compressor, as these Renegade Industrial units provide maximum performance, quality and reliability for a fraction of the price. You can get your own at your nearest Trade Tools store or online at tradetools.com.